how to use Google AI Studio in mobile. So from Google search on your mobile phone, search for Google AI Studio. It will come and then come and select the official site of Google AI Studio. It will bring you right here, and then over here you can see that we are currently using Gemini 2.5 Pro. Okay, you can come and then choose the one that you prefer. Okay, so you can go through and then select the one that you prefer. And then after that, when you look here, where you will see that we have three bars here. When you click on it, over here you will see that we have first the chat. Okay, so when you select the chat, so let's select the chat. You have the option to come and then chat with Gemini 2.5 Pro or the one that you selected. Okay, so let me type in something like hi Gemini, and let me click on the send button. You will see that Gemini has responded. Okay, so hello, how can I help you today? So that is the first thing that you can use it for, to chat. Okay, and then the other thing that you can also do with it is the stream. So let me click on the stream for you to see, and then with the stream you can talk with Gemini live and then do a webcam. So let's test the talk. Okay, by selecting the talk, and then over here you have to come and then allow it access. Okay, you can come and choose any of them, but I'm going to select allow this time. Okay, and then over here come and then allow your Chrome, and that is it. So the talking now is live, that I can say something. So let me say something like hi Gemini, and as you can see it is here, and then Gemini has responded. So you have the option to chat, and then you have the option to talk, and Gemini will respond. Okay, so the other one that you also have to do, or you can do it, is the generate media. So let me select it for you to see, and then with the generate media you can do all this. We have the imaging, we have the speech generation, we also have the red time, and then we also have the video as well, and then the image generation. Okay, so let me select the video for you to see. With the video you can simply come and then describe any video that you want Gemini to create for you, and then it's going to create the video for you just like that. So over here you see that we are using View 2. Okay, so that is the free version, and then the paid one is View 3. Okay, so when you come here to this icon and then you click on it, you can come and then select the aspect ratio. So currently it is 16:9, so you can come and then select 9:16. Okay, for short. And then the free version you have up to 8 seconds, and that is it, and then the resolution as well. So let me close it and let's continue. Okay, so that is it. So the other thing that you can also do is the build. So when you click on the build you have the option to create app with Gemini. Okay, so you can come and then create app, and then when you come here to your apps, you find apps that you have created with it here, but you can create it using the desktop browser. Okay, so you cannot do it on your phone unless you can use the phone to log into the desktop browser. Okay, and then we have get API key. So let me select it for you to see, and then let me say something about it. So when you are creating the app, we have some app that you have to derive an online data. So with that one, you have to come in and create an API key in order to get permission to derive that data from the online source. So that is it. So that is what to use the Gemini for. And then when you come here to the three dots and then you click on it, you have the option to come and then add the to home screen. Okay, so when you click on add to home screen, you can come and then install the Gemini app right on your mobile phone so that you can open it directly from your home. See you in my next video.